The chilling case of Atul Subhash, it has took another turn. But वहाँ पर अभी तक कोई अरेस्ट नहीं हुआ है. क्यों? Why this happens?
So again we come back to the same aspect of women-centric laws. It becomes very easy for the investigating authorities to lodge a report because their jobs become easy. But when a man is complaining about harassment, कोई कायदा ही नहीं है जिसके अंतर्गत उसके लिए तुम fight करोगे. So it becomes very difficult. Recently PIL has been filed before the Supreme Court for seeking reforms
Okay.
in the domestic violence laws, in the Dowry Prohibition Act. They have also sought for setting up a commission for men and also making certain laws for men so as to ventilate their grievances in terms of harassment and cruelty. Because under the Domestic Violence Act, even if a man is an aggrieved party, he does not come under the definition of an aggrieved party. So that is where the discrimination comes into picture.
Right.
And because there is no opportunity given by the legislation for the man to fight against these type of atrocities, I would say,
Absolutely.
it becomes very difficult even for the police machinery to get the matter in hand
Right.
as to how they will enforce it. So that is why these type of delays happen, and eventually it just becomes the weather and it just goes away.